Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can just remove green screen or play with green screen, right? It's really easy. So as you can see here, this is a video phone and I just want to remove this green screen, right? So how I can do it? It's really easy. I have to first of all select the clip. Once I select the clip, you will see a lot of option here. So just go to the remove BG here. Now you will get this option of chroma key. Now select it. Now you will get this option of color picker. Now select it and just click on this green icon here. So basically we have to pick the color to adjust it intensity. So in most of the cases, if the color pick is not working, so the reason is you are not using properly. You have to click and hold and take it there. So I will just take it to my green screen here properly. And as you can see, I've selected it. And right, so this is it. And as you can see here, the green screen has been selected and the green screen has been removed properly. By the way, you can increase the intensity, right? So if you just make it maximize, then it will not work properly. So make sure you just remove the intensity depending upon how much you need, right? So this is a shadow section, so as you can also increase the shadow and everything, right? So this is really easy. And for example, I want to place this, so what I will do, I'll just zoom this, and when I just try to play this video, you can see green screen has been removed completely, right? And most of the cases, many of you will be having facing a problem that if you are there is a no green screen, then how you can just remove this, right? So it's very easy. For example, let me just decrease the scale here. Now I just want to remove the background, so I will just go and click on auto removal here, and it will just take a few seconds to remove the background, right? As you can see here, the background is removed, but sometimes it doesn't work properly, so the camera footage should be exactly really good, right? But I hope you understood how you can remove and create something with the green screen.